Breaking news. Launched 2 years back, Kindred Technology, which was very famous amongst people and working successfully, is now facing technical problems. There is a severe malfunction within all devices and are completely disabled. Is it really a technical fault, or is there some mastermind behind this? We're also looking for the answer.
Come in. रेहान जी आइए.
Hello, Trehan. How are you?
Hello, gentlemen. Gentlemen, Mr. Rane, thank you for your precious time. Now, I would like to start with my presentation. We grew up interacting with many physical objects around us. As we grew up, we came across technologies and started understanding it even more. The most understandable technology by all of us are mobile devices, isn't it? Statistics show that in a population of around 1.27 billion people, around 86 crore people are using mobile devices. That isn't a small amount. The number of usage is also increasing every year. As the number increases, there will be more radiations due to network coverage from towers. This is where I have come up with a technology called Kindred, which is harmless and has a good connectivity. Kindred technology has been my dream project, and I have been working over it since the last 2 years. Finally, I have come up with this project and I am presenting it to you all.
Very nice.
Gentlemen, it doesn't have any network problem. No more mobile towers, only one satellite which will connect all the devices without any problem. Cheap, no harmful radiation, no connectivity problem. A perfect network.
Okay, Mr. Trehan. Your technology is very advanced. Amazing.
Thank you.
I really appreciate.
Thanks a lot.
But it seems your technology will have higher price.
This is where, Mr. Rane, I would like to correct you, is that this technology which we will sell to people will be at a much cheaper rate.
But I request you, Mr. Trehan, that we keep this project on hold for some time.
Okay, sir.
Because we have some work also.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And gentlemen, thanks a lot for your time.
Hello. Huh? Okay, fine. Fine.
What the hell, Mr. Rane? How can you launch my product without my permission? You don't have any rights. The technology is invented by me, and the credit should also go to me. On top of that, you not only cheating me, but you cheating the common people as well.
Calm down, Mr. Trehan. Calm down. Please have a seat. Would you like to have something?
No, I order you not to launch this technology, and if you do so, please launch it on my name.
See, Mr. Trehan, there is something called personal benefit, which we have to manage. Acha, forget about the project. Instead of that, I can offer you lot of money. Take it and forget about the project. Understood?
I don't care about the money. I warn you not to launch this technology on your name. And if you do so, please give me all the credit.
What will you do if I don't?
That's it. I will lodge a complaint against you to the police.
Okay, so you think police arrest me? Go do whatever you want to do. Phew.
I will sue you. I will sue you. You all must be wondering, who am I? I'm a common man, just like you people are. I am the creator of this Kindred technology. Yes, people, I am the one who created it. Shocking, isn't it? I am the one who hacked into all your devices and destroyed them all. Our telecom minister, Mr. Rane, he was the one who stole my idea and launched the technology on his son's name. 2 years back, I had approached him with a presentation of this technology. This technology of mine not only stopped harmful radiations, but was also to be sold at a much cheaper rate. Sadly, Mr. Rane not only betrayed me, he even betrayed you all. The original price which I had quoted to Mr. Rane was approx rupees 3000, and he sold it to you all at a much higher rate. Just imagine how much profit went into his pocket. We all know that our politicians are corrupt. But what do we do about it? Just sit and support them. Everyone says India is a poor country, but the fact is that people like Mr. Rane make us poor by fooling us and filling their pockets with their selfish needs. This is all what I had to say. Now it is all up to you.
Country's biggest scam got revealed. Telecom minister is arrested. High-level corruption and scams are now threatening to derail India's credibility and economic boom. 6.7 billion scams have been exposed. How much more corruption will India go through?